Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a little DIY with you guys, and it's actually stuff that I've already had, so I didn't have to go out and purchase anything, and I'm actually upcycling some of my old DIY projects. So if you had seen a few videos back, I think it was a couple months ago, I DIY'd a wreath, and I liked it, but I like to upcycle stuff in my home and just see where else it can be used. You can do so much with, like, today we'll be using greenery that I got from Hobby Lobby. Like I said, I made a wreath out of it. I'll show you a picture right here if I can find it. And I liked it, but I just found another wreath that I liked better. So I used my plan is to use this greenery that was from the wreath and kind of put it on this clock that I have. This clock has been in my house for quite a while. I got it on clearance from Gordman's back when we lived in our old house, and I think I got it for $12. So I'm now realizing why it was $12, because the hands on the clock are broken, and there's just kind of like old wear and tear stuff. I like the look of it, but I kind of wanted to dress it up a little bit, so I'm going to take this greenery. Well, let's just jump right into the video and I'll show you.
So as you can see, I have a glue gun, a pair of scissors, and what I'm going to be DIYing. So like I said, the hands on the clock are broken, so you'll see what I do with that. And then right now I'm just kind of draping the greenery to see how it's going to lay. And I'm cutting individual pieces. My scissors did not work very well. They're just regular kitchen scissors. I would recommend crafting scissors or wire cutters. So now that I've got the placement kind of where I want it, I'm going to start hot gluing, and this took me quite a while just because this greenery is pretty heavy, but I finally got it down, and you'll see I kind of play with it throughout the video just to see different placements and all that and see what I like best. One of my sweet friends, Amanda, over on Instagram and here on YouTube, I'll leave her channel link below if you guys want to go check her out. You really should. She's so sweet, and they're redoing their house right now. They bought a fixer-upper, and it's so cool to see the process and kind of go along with what they do. It's so fun to watch. But she gave me the great idea that because the hands on the clock are broken, to go ahead and pick a meaningful time in our lives. So I'm gluing down the hands to say 7:31, which is the time that our son Beckham was born. And I just thought that was such a sweet idea. So thank you so much, Amanda, for that sweet idea. Okay, you guys, here is the finished product. I'm really happy with it. I think it turned out really cute, and it just adds a little something to this clock that otherwise would have just been thrown away. So like I said, I love doing DIYs. I love upcycling old projects. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspiration for a DIY that you can do. And if you aren't already, I would love it if you hit that red subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye guys.